Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add keybinds to Discord so that it's easier to kind of like set them. So I'm just going to go to like a channel here and I am going to go to user settings. Then I'm going to select keybinds, and here you're going to select add a keybind, for instance, push to mute. You're then going to set the keybind to whichever one you want, so record keybind and select it. So whenever I want to mute myself, I can just press F8. But the thing, this is like press to mute, not like the toggle. So I'm just going to go back to user settings, go to keybinds, and then I'm going to select toggle mute instead. Mute and mute, and that's it. You can do it with a lot of things: deafen, undeafen, disconnect, or whatever. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.